go. You get to a good section. You can start digging around. Oh, a beautiful common nutmeg. Shark eye moon snail. Oh, another big nutmeg. See what else we got here. I like the color on this banded tulip. Another banded tulip. Pretty Florida fighting conch. Another Florida fighting conch. Some pretty calico scallops. I see a bunch of juvenile fighting conchs too. Oh my goodness! A baby nutmeg, I love it. Oh no, I dropped it, but I got it back. Okay, let's see what else we got here. I see some olives too. I think the tide is coming in, so it's bringing new shells as it comes. A little bubble shell. Saw a broken pom-pom. I like this banded tulip. It's a little broken, but I like the pale color on it. Nice big dark banded tulip. A little bit worn one. Oh, hello buddy, I will save you. And big cockle. Ooh, look at this fossilized, whatever that is. Turkey wing. Apple murex. Oh, this would have been a nice true tulip. Come on. Another shark eye. Some more Florida fighting conchs. I like the color on that. I'm not going to take it. Save it for another sheller.